Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can install VMware Tools on a Windows 10 that's installed on VMware Workstation. So one of the reasons why you might want to install VMware Tools is to fix the scaling issue. So this is a new install of Windows 10, and as you can see the Windows is not scaled properly. Also the issue of copy and paste, like if you wanted to copy from the host machine, I have a text file on the host machine. If I try and copy this text and try and paste it to a document on the virtual machine, I'm not able to do that. And we are also not able to do drag and drop. Like I can't drag this from the host to the virtual machine. So let's install VMware Tools and see if that helps fix those issues. So to install it, just go to the virtual machine at the top on VMware Workstation, right click on it and click on Install VMware Tools, and then you want to go to your File Explorer and then go to this PC, and you should see this. So double click on it, click yes, and this is the VMware Tools setup. Just click next. Typical is what we want to go with. Next, install. So once the installation is complete, the scaling should fix itself. So let's see what happens once it's done. Okay, as you can see, the window kind of moved. I'll click finish here. I'm not gonna restart, I'm gonna say no. Let me just try and scale this. You see how the window adjusted itself, so the virtual machine scaling issue is fixed. Let's try the copy and paste again. So I'm gonna copy this text from the host machine, and then I'm gonna try and paste it. Now you see the option for paste is available, and I'm able to paste that text on the document in the virtual machine. Don't save, and let's try drag and drop, and I'm able to drag and drop. It's asking me if I want to replace this one. I can say replace, and there you are. So that's it for this video. That's how you can install VMware Tools on a Windows 10 device installed on VMware Workstation. And like I said, this gonna help you fix issues to do with the copy and paste, scaling, and as well as drag and drop between the host machine and the virtual machine. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.